In the heart of Colombo, Sri Lanka, a determined little architect is hard at work. Watch closely as the brown-headed barbet turns a coconut tree into its future home, using nothing but its beak, persistence, and instinct. The brown-headed barbet is a charming bird native to the Indian subcontinent, thriving in tropical and subtropical regions. Adults have a streaked brown head, neck, and breast, highlighted by a bright yellow eye patch. The rest of their body is covered in vibrant green feathers. Measuring about 27 centimeters in length, with a large head, short neck, and stubby tail. These birds are common from southern Nepal all the way to Sri Lanka. Classified as least concern on the IUCN Red List, they're comfortable living close to people and can often be spotted in gardens, parks, and open wooded areas. Their diet is mostly fruit, mangoes, jackfruit, papaya, banana, figs, but they also snack on insects. Instead of deep forests, they prefer open spaces with scattered trees. When it comes to nesting, they dig out a hole in a tree trunk, just like the one you're seeing here. Both male and female take turns incubating the 2 to 4 eggs, and they keep in touch with each other using their distinctive kura calls. Today, this barbet is crafting its nest with great patience and skill, one careful peck at a time, turning a simple coconut tree into a safe haven for the next generation.